Installing a color wrap on one of your Zarges cases is a straightforward process. Begin with making sure you have all of the right tools, which include a couple squeegees, spray bottle filled with rapid tack, knife, a pick, a hairdryer, and verify that you have all the pieces of your color wrap on hand. You will need to thoroughly clean your case before installing the color panels. So spray it down with rapid tack, wipe the case down, being sure to remove any dirt or debris stuck on the case surface. Once the case has been carefully cleaned, remove the backing for the first panel that you intend to install. Panels can be installed in any order. Once the panel is removed, spray the adhesive side of the vinyl with a generous amount of rapid tack soaking the piece. Then set aside and spray the portion of the case that you will be applying the wrap to with rapid tack as well. Now you are ready to apply the wrap to the case. Carefully align the vinyl with the section you are wrapping. The rapid tack will allow you to reposition and adjust the vinyl until you are satisfied it is lined up. When you're happy with the alignment of the wrap, you may begin pushing the air bubbles out from the middle of the panel with your hands and a squeegee. Work the bubbles out from under the wrap to the outer edges. Once you have finished pushing out all the bubbles, you can repeat these same steps for the other sides of the case. You will find that there are still some air bubbles around the Zarges logo on the case. To resolve that, you will need your hair dryer, squeegee, pick, and a knife. Begin by taking your squeegee and pressing all the way around the logo and pushing the vinyl into the crevices as much as possible. Any captured air bubbles that remain should be carefully punched with a knife to allow the air to escape. When this has been accomplished, squeeze out any remaining air with your fingers or a small squeegee. A hair dryer can be used to heat up the vinyl so it is more pliable and can be worked into the crevices more easily with your fingers and a pick or a squeegee. You can continue to heat and work the vinyl into the crevices until you are satisfied. Once you've completed this, you should have a fully wrapped Zarges case ready for your next adventure.